boys and girls, it's Mrs. Waldvogel, and we are going to just flip through the letter factory cards real quick that we use at school, and hopefully you can say the sounds and practice reading them with me, okay? Q, qua, 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 Q. What letter is that? N, C, k, 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 C. Make sure you show your mom and dad the signs that we do when we practice these. Oh, sorry. G, 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 G. What's that one? V, 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 V. Remember that one? B, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, B. But this one? Yep, you're right. H, H. How about this one? Y, yeah, 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 Y. Remember that one? A, ah, 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 A. Ooh, you boys and girls like this one. K, 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 K. Ooh, yummy. Remember this one? Yes, it is. It's L. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And how about this one? T, 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 T. And you remember this one? I, you're right. I, I, I. There we go. Oh, I guess he was right side up. There we go. O, ah, O. But this one, W, W. And this one, if you said S, you're right, S, 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 S. And this one, yep, you're right, D, da, 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 da. A little different than ba, 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 ba. It's D, da, 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 D. What letter is that? M, M. And this one. Yep, you're right, F, 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 F. And this one? You're right, R, Good job, boys and girls. We're almost done. Almost done. This one, what letter is that? X, 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 X. Good job. And how about this one? You're right, P. P says pa, 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 P. What letter is that? You're right. We learned about it earlier in the week. E, eh, eh, eh. And this one, Z, 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 Z. And the last one is upside down. Do you remember that one? Of course you do. J, 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 J. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing a great job. You really are. I'm really, really proud of you. Keep up the good work, okay? Ooh, where's my thumb? There's my thumb. Okay, good job.